Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Physical exercise is the best way to increase your oxygen intake, critical for mitochondria's Krebs cycle. As your body uses up more energy, it will force itself to produce more mitochondria to keep up with the demand.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The mitochondria, termed the powerhouse of the cell, works with other cellular organelles by providing them with the major form of energy known as adenosine triphosphate (ATP). ATP allows other cellular organelles to function properly, maintaining the integrity of the cell.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The overall density of mitochondria in muscle tissue increases in response to aerobic workouts. More mitochondria means greater use of oxygen to produce more ATP and energy. Aerobic exercise also leads to an increase in myoglobin in muscle tissue.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
It has been determined that to counteract damage, mitochondria possess well-defined repair pathways quite similar to those of the nucleus, among which are base excision repair (BER), mismatch repair (MMR), single-strand break repair (SSBR), microhomology-mediated end joining (MMEJ), and probably homology recombination.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
We're going to get down to the core of it today, our cells, and look at the best foods for mitochondrial health. The entire body at its core is comprised of cells. Sulfur. Kale. A healthy blend of spinach or kale, or greens, cycling, can hit all your mitochondria health needs. Cabbage. Onions. Garlic.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.